If your demos feel great, but your deals keep going dark, you're probably making one of these 7 mistakes. In this video, I'm gonna walk through the 7 deadliest SaaS demo mistakes that I see and exactly how to fix them based on hundreds of demos and millions in software revenue. If you stay to the end, you'll get a simple structure that you can use on your very next demo. Deadly demo mistake number 1, jumping straight into the product. Most reps open a screen share before reminding the buyer why they're even there. Fix it by starting with a quick reset. Before we jump into the platform, let me recap what we shared last time. You're trying to do X, you're struggling with Y, and success looks like Z. This is exactly what I'll show you today. You're re-anchoring on their business problem, not your interface. Mistake number 2, no context. If the first thing that your buyer sees is a busy dashboard, you've already lost them. Here's the fix. Give 60 to 90 seconds of context first. Here's the problem our customers bring us. Here's the approach we take. Now I'll show you how that actually looks in the product. When the story comes first, the product finally makes sense. Mistake number 3, product tour mode. This is where you click this is where you click that. That's training, not selling. Instead, tell a story. Walk them through a workflow that mirrors their day. You're not showing features, you're showing their future state. Mistake number 4, saving the value slide for the end. If you wait to the last 5 minutes to talk value, you've lost them. Every major feature that you show should immediately be connected to a business impact. This report consolidates 3 tools in one place and saves your team a few hours a week. This automation replaces the manual spreadsheet processes you've described, so you can reallocate that time to strategy. Show, then tell, feature, then impact, over and over. Mistake number 5, cramming everything in. You don't need to show them 15 modules. You need to show them 3 or 4 workflows that matter to this deal. Use your discovery to ruthlessly prioritize. Based on what you told me, I'm gonna focus on A, B, and C. If we have time, I could show you D, but I don't wanna waste your time on things that aren't relevant. Clarity beats coverage. Focus on what matters and tie everything to their business needs. Mistake number 6, monologue demos. If your first question is at minute 28, you've already lost the room. Instead, pulse check every few minutes. How would this fit into the way you're doing this today? Does this help you with what you described earlier on X? You're not just keeping them awake, you're getting micro buy-in throughout the call. Mistake number 7, ending with any questions? A great demo ends with a clear recommendation and next steps. Based on what we walked through, a 30-day pilot with these 2 brands would let your team test this in real conditions. If that feels right, we can align on what success would look like and lock in time. Then, shut up and let them respond. Your goal isn't applause, your goal is a next step. So that's your checklist. No why, no context, product tour mode, value at the end, too much product, no engagement, and a weak ending. Fix those 7 mistakes and you'll immediately feel the difference in how buyers respond. If you wanna see how I handle demos step by step, check out this video up here, or if you wanna know how to sell software starting from day 1, check out this video up here. And if you want the full system that I use from onboarding to discovery to demos to closing, that's what I cover in my book, Top Sales Producer, How to Crush Your Sales Quota. Thanks.